The pickup teeth on your baler play a critical role in efficiently gathering and feeding hay into the baling mechanism. Over time, these teeth can wear down or break, leading to decreased performance and potential damage to your equipment. In this video, we'll examine the teeth and replace as needed. We are using a John Deere 568 round baler with a mega-wide pickup. The same or similar items may be on your baler, but you should always consult your operator's manual for your specific baler before starting any maintenance. Changing that bent or broken pickup tooth is something that can be done by nearly any baler owner and with minimal tools. Overview of steps. Inspect the pickup system for parts that need replacement. Organize tools and replacement parts. Remove strippers that are worn or need to be removed for access. Remove worn or damaged teeth. Install new teeth. Install the pickup stripper bars. Depending on which pickup is installed on your baler, you may find it easier to service the pickup from the rear. If this is the case, raise the gate fully and apply the gate lock. When inspecting, look for any cracks, chips, or significant wear on the teeth. Bent teeth should also be replaced. Run your hand along the teeth to feel for any rough or jagged edges, which can indicate excessive wear and potential failure during operation. This particular tooth shows wear on the side, caused by rubbing against the stripper, and should be replaced. Before we get started, make sure you have all the necessary tools, replacement teeth, and strippers ready. You will likely need to rotate the pickup to get access to the teeth needing replacement. You can either remove the pickup drive chain or use an open-end wrench to turn the lower gear case hex shaft. It can also be helpful to remove the compressor rods for easier access to the strippers and pickup teeth. Next, you'll need to remove the stripper that is directly over the broken or bent tooth. Loosen, but don't remove, the two self-tapping bolts on top and loosen the two nuts on the bottom of the stripper. The stripper is slotted to allow removal without removing the attaching hardware. Pro Tip 1. Improve efficiency by removing the adjacent strippers to allow plenty of room to work. Pro Tip 2. Bent or heavily worn strippers can affect crop flow. Now is a great time to replace those strippers. Bent teeth can cause damage to the strippers. Notice how the edge of the stripper is worn down. Eventually, this could lead to potential issues. Next, we'll replace the worn teeth to ensure your baler is operating at peak performance.